I'm trying to avoid caffeine today.
Bonsoir. Mesdames et messieurs.
Maybe tomorrow. I can't leave until my clothes are cleaned, so I guess I'll do some work. This is an email I get far too much. Well, someone stole my handlebars and my backlight. Great. Who steals bike handles? I mean, can you even resell that? Granted, I am in the market for them now. Sometimes it's okay to treat your house like a hotel. Well, we'll get Papa John's tonight and we'll figure it out. Papa's favorite. Recording 10 quick facts about the Washington Monument. 10 facts about the Washington Monument.
I walk the floor and watch the door.
I'll put a link to this video in the description of this video. And I kept my time lapse going, oh yeah.
Black coffee.
I used to go out every night, but I gotta say, editing these videos makes me stay in, and it's been saving me money, so that's a good thing.